can't catch a fish right here, we do not need to be fishing. Right now, big old none. There he is. That's a pretty good one, feels like. No, he wasn't, but my first fish of the day.
He was there.
He was, and he hit it pretty aggressively. So that's always a good sign. We're just finished fishing these little spinner lures, tipping them with a cricket, and I'm throwing crickets all in the bottom of the boat. There we go. That's two, and that's a little bass. Not what I intended to catch, but it feels good to start catching fish. And that's two fish in just a couple minutes. We're gonna make it happen. Well, I can't. All right, a quick lure change. Went over to a cork on a with a cricket and a little sinker. We're gonna see if that slower approach can produce us some fish, and that was a horrible cast. There we go. If that don't produce a fish, right there, Pops.
Yep.
He's a pretty good fish too.
Right on the bank. What?
Look at that. Look at that.
Right.
That's what you call a veteran call. You have to change it up. They're just not biting those lures that are coming by them fast. Right there. Pretty red breast. Okay, here's one. Not the cast I want. Don't waste time with a cast you don't want. Go ahead and reel it in and get it in there a little bit better. My line's snagging right there for some reason. There we go, that's the cast. There we go. Got him. I don't think he's real big though. No, he's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Nice little bluegill.
I didn't get you, did I?
No, sir, you didn't. All right, we had to do a quick little retie. Broke up, but in the meantime, Dad caught another nice red breast. So I think we got about 5 in the cooler, and I'm throwing my valuable crickets in the water. Alrighty, after another lure change, well, not a lure change, but another tie on. When you do this kind of fishing, you will break off. That is all there is to it. I ain't gonna believe we don't catch a fish somewhere right here in this little. Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
I had 37 feet of slack in there. Could not get it. Could not get any tension on there. That's on me there. That was on me there. I gotta do better than that. Right there.
Come on now.
He ain't big, but I think today he is big enough.
Bigger than the small one.
We were trying for a dozen. I'm gonna keep my cricket too. Trying for a dozen, and we're getting close. Oh, that's a good one too.
Look at that.
Wow, there we go. That's my best one of the day.
It's good now.
Yeah. You just got to be patient, and I've been patient. We got a few in there. We got a few fish. Had to be patient. We swapped over to an orange, and he bumped it and missed it, and then hit it again. Those crows, I'm sure they are annoying in the video, and they are equally as annoying in person. That's 2 fish in a couple of minutes on this orange beetle spin. Not enough for me to say that this is the lure that they want, but a little bit of confidence in it. Just taking it and adding a little bit of extra love to it by putting a cricket on there.